Garlic milk. Garlic milk cures asthma, pneumonia, tuberculosis, cardiac problems, insomnia, arthritis, cough, and many other diseases. Here is a recipe which works as medicine for overall health. For this we need garlic cloves, milk and sugar. Take a pan with some milk and boil for few minutes. Add few garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, take this milk into the glass. Garlic milk is ready to serve. It cures asthma. This drink effectively reduces cardiac diseases. It reduces LDL level and prevents the formation of blood clot. Garlic cures jaundice. It is a great detoxifier. Garlic is a great source of sulfur. This milk is a real treasure for liver. It enhances the production of bile juice. If you take garlic milk continuously for 4 to 5 days, you can cure jaundice. It is a great medicine for arthritis too. Garlic milk is an excellent cure for impotency. Garlic fights infertility in both men and women. Put garlic under your pillow every night and see amazing effects. Garlic is a wonderful superfood which provides many healthy benefits for human body. You can place a clove of garlic under your pillow at night. This works as a sleep aid, helps you get a relaxing night rest. Be sure to keep the skin of the garlic clove for the best results. You can also carry garlic with you wrapped in a handkerchief in your pocket. This is known as lucky charm and used to eliminate negative energy. Eating garlic regularly as a part of your diet keeps your body healthy and toxin free. Garlic helps to relieve mucus buildup during cold. Allicin is a compound contained in garlic which causes the powerful aroma when you crush garlic. This wonderful garlic has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties, making it one of the best natural medicine in the world. Garlic has been shown as more powerful than modern antibiotics for treating infections. Garlic ginger lemon remedy for clogged arteries. Here is an amazing drink to cure blocks in the arteries. For this we need lemon, ginger, garlic and some water. Numerous benefits come from the combination of the 3 super healthy foods. This drink can have so many positive effects on your body. Take few lemon slices with peel. Take a blender jar. Add lemon slices, ginger pieces and few garlic cloves. Then start blending. After blending, take this mixture into a bowl. Take a pan. Add 1 liter of water. Add blended ginger mixture and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, filter this mixture into a bowl. Let the drink cool down before serving. Benefits of this drink: regulation of increased blood fat levels, prevention and treatment of congestion of the arteries, immune system enhancement, liver cleansing. Drink this water 1 glass every day at least 2 hours before taking food on empty stomach. The combination of lemon and water neutralizes the smell of garlic, By drinking this regularly, you can cure clogged arteries. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.